This revision series is brought to you by CREORAY.com. Go to www.CREORAY.com. CREORAY. Select class 10. Let's revise chapter 2 polynomials. Go to number 7, division of polynomials. Since this is a revision class, I will touch only upon certain things that are important. So let me pull up a question. Okay, so in exam, if you are given a question of dividing two polynomials, how do you go about doing that? Let's revise that. So here we have x cubed minus 9x squared plus 28x minus 25. This may be some p of x, okay, one polynomial here. And you are asked to divide this by another polynomial, let's say g of x, which is x minus 4. So write it in this form. And then how do you go about dividing this? So here's the explanation. Start with x cubed, the first term, take that, and take x of this divisor. Divide it, x cubed by x, you get x squared. Now this x squared is your first part of the quotient, okay? Now you have got x squared here. Now multiply this x squared with this divisor x minus 4. So when you do x minus 4 into x squared, you get x cubed minus 4x squared. This complete term, transfer it here, just below this dividend. So now you see, we have this original polynomial, we get the first term of the quotient, and then when we multiply this quotient by this divisor throughout, you get x cubed minus 4x squared here. Now subtract it. So x cubed and x cubed gets cancelled out. And this minus will turn into plus because we are subtracting. So minus 9x squared plus 4x squared will become minus 5x squared. So this is step 1 of division till here, okay? You will get x squared as the first term, and the division is not complete yet, okay? You have to bring this down, 28x and 25. Now follow the same procedure. Take this minus 5x squared, minus 5x squared. What is the first term of this divisor? X. So it is x. Do that division. What do you get? Minus 5x. Transfer this minus 5x to the quotient part. So you have, after x squared, write minus 5x. Now what do you do? Multiply this x minus 4 with this minus 5x. What do you get? Minus 5x squared plus 20x. Write these terms here. Minus 5x squared plus 20x. Now remember, we have to do subtraction. During subtraction, the sign changes. Minus of minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. So minus 5x squared plus 5x squared, they cancel out. Plus 28x minus 20x becomes 8x. Bring the remaining minus 25 as it is down. So one more step is done. Now again, let's repeat. 8x, write it as it is. Take the first x of this divisor. So 8x by x gives you 8. Write this 8 here on top as part of the quotient. Then multiply this x minus 4 into 8. Do your working separately. You will get 8x minus 32. Write this 8x minus 32 over here. Remember, we have to subtract it, so signs change. This becomes minus and this minus becomes plus. So they cancel out. 8x minus 8x cancels out, and minus 25 plus 32 gives you a remainder of 7. Now as soon as you get a term whose degree is less than your divisor, you cannot divide it further. So here there is no x, that is x is raised to the power 0, and here x is raised to the power 1. So you cannot divide it any further. So here your division ends. This is how your final solutions should look like. Working of any kind, you can do it separately. Draw a separate line, write working on the top and do it. Otherwise, this is how your solution should look like, which clearly shows what you have done at each of the steps. That's all. Until next time, happy studying!